Sense organs in humans. To become aware about an object by means of eyes is called see. We use our eyes to see. Eyes can identify colors. To receive sound with our ear is called hear. Ears help us enjoy music. Ears help us to communicate. To become aware of an odor by means of sense organ in the nose is called smell. We use nose to smell. To test the flavor of something by putting a little in the mouth and using the sense organ tongue is called taste. We use tongue to taste. Tongues are used to speak also. To feel with the hands, fingers or by any part of the skin is called touch. We use skin to touch. Our sense organ skin helps us feel heat and cold. We sweat through the pores in the skin. Mosquito bites irritate us.